Hi friends, I am Manikandan, Principal Chinmaya Academy for Civil Services. I am geography expert having more than 18 years of experience in this field. So here I am going to talk about one of the most important topics in geography called Indian agriculture. So in which I am going to share with you the agroclimatic conditions that is required for the growth of rice crop. And other aspects of rice crop can also be discussed in exam point of view. So first let us discuss about the agroclimatic conditions in which rice can thrive. So rice is a tropical crop. It is an indigenous crop of India, and its spatial extent can be found in between the latitudinal extent of 8 to 35 degree north and south latitudinal extent. So it grows under the rainfall regime of more than 150 centimeter, and this crop thrives within the temperature range of 24 degree centigrade to 27 degree centigrade. Apart from that, clay loam is an ideal soil in which rice can thrive. So that the West Bengal emerged as a leader in terms of production of rice only because of the existence of more and more of clay loam in the agricultural fields. So this is what the agroclimatic condition in which rice can grow. So apart from these facts, we can talk about some of the varieties of rice, some of the hybrid varieties of rice like IR8, IR20, IR22, Kaveri, Hansa, Batma, Sabarmati, so and so rice hybrid varieties can also be found in India. So these are all the facts related with the agroclimatic conditions. Now we are going to discuss about golden rice. It is a genetically engineered rice. As it is enriched with beta carotene, it imparts the look of the rice in golden in appearance. So this rice is created or genetically engineered so as to enhance the vitamin A content of human health, human body. In India, as a tropical nation where vitamin A deficiency is more prevalent deficiency, and related diseases can also be found prominently in India. So vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness among children. The deficiency of vitamin A leads to the death because of some infectious diseases like measles. In order to overcome such health hazardous conditions, we genetically engineered to produce a vitamin A enriched rice called golden rice. Next one, aromatic rice or basmati rice, which is being cultivated at the upper reaches of Jammu Kashmir, especially in the districts of Budgam and Anantnag districts. So this rice is having the harmonious blend of aroma, color, texture and other tastes. So this rice was conferred with the geographic indication especially for its aroma. These are all the facts related with the aromatic rice that is being grown in the Vale of Kashmir in India. The next one, fortification of rice, that means iron fortified rice. So this rice is created so as to increase the micronutrient status of human health, in which the rice is extruded with micronutrients like iron, folic acid and vitamin B12. So 1 kg of rice which is fortified with such micronutrients added up with 100 kg of rice so as to give fortified rice. The next one, chokwa rice. It is being cultivated in the Brahmaputra basin area of Assam. It is one among the semi-glutinous rice varieties. One is Bora, another one is Chokwa. This Chokwa is conferred with the geographic indications recently. And the next one, Kalajira rice. It is being cultivated in the various parts of Koraput district of Odisha. And this rice is also conferred with the geographic indications in India. and this rice is very important as far as increasing the nutrient status of human being, and it is very useful for curing many of diseases, especially nutrient deficiency diseases like diabetics and other diseases.